Welcome back to Beginner's Barbecue Outdoor. Today we're doing a mac and cheese. Let's fire up the Traeger. So here we have the Costco mac and cheese. So the Costco directions is saying to keep it for 400 degrees for about an hour. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to smoke this at 350, and it'll probably take around an hour to an hour and a half. But we're going to keep an eye on it. This is our first time doing it, so let's see how it goes. So always remember, before you do anything on a Traeger, you gotta pretty much it's like preheating an oven. You got to turn it on, put it on smoke setting for about 10 minutes. And the reason why we're doing that is to let the pellets run through, get that fire going, and you'll be ready to go. So we're going to turn it on and then put it on smoke setting. So once again, you're pretty much preheating it. You're letting the pellets go through and the fire on. So we're going to wait 10 minutes and then turn the temperature up to 350. We'll be back. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. Now we're ready to turn it up to 350 degrees. And we're going to close the lid. And make sure the lid's open when you have it on smoke setting at the beginning. Now we're going to close it. And we're going to wait till that temp hits 350. And then we're going to add in our mac and cheese. Alright, our Traeger is about to hit, it just hit 350 degrees. So now it's time to put in the mac and cheese. Alright, here is our mac and cheese. We're going to open it. Set it right in the middle. And we're going to wait 1 hour. So we'll be back in 1 hour and see where we're at. And this has been exactly 1 hour. So, and there it is, 1 hour. Alright, let's see how it looks. And that looks perfect. Look at that. And that's what you're looking for, is that nice, well done, that nice crisp on the cheese. A little bit of boil in there, but that's how it looks. It looks great. Let's take it out and taste it. Now before we cut into this, let's give this a quick recap and see what we did. So let's give this bad boy a try. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks great. But it's too hot to try. So I'm going to wait a few more minutes just to get a little bit cooler, because as you can see, it's steaming. And this looks great. Before we give this a taste, make sure you guys like the video. If you guys liked what I showed today, leave a comment how you guys like your mac and cheese. What size do you guys use? I usually like this with chicken, a little bit of chicken, a little barbecue chicken. But yeah, some people add bacon on this too. So let's give this Costco mac and cheese a try. I don't want to burn myself. Damn, man. This is good. This is really good. You get a little bit of hint of that smoke flavor with this cheese. I recommend you guys try this. This is Costco mac and cheese on a Traeger grill. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.